What is up, Monet gang, and welcome back to my channel. Now before you do anything else, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you get notified each and every time I post more videos on the way. So today's video is going to be a video on how you can make your own little custom letter keychain thing. And I'm gonna try to link everything below. Some of this stuff I got a while ago, so I low-key forget like where exactly I bought it from. But the first thing you're gonna obviously need is this mold. I got this one from Amazon, but they do sell it at Joanns now. You're also gonna need some gloves, some epoxy. You can get that at Joanns or Michael's. I use these popsicle sticks to stir. I think I got those at Walmart. I just went and bought some more measuring cups because I lost my other ones, and it's literally 4 measuring cups for $2. They were originally $3.99, but Joanns has a coupon right now for 50% off, and they usually have this coupon a lot. You just got to download the app. Let me open them for y'all real quick. Like, they got little things on the side. These are perfect for the $2. They only have one left in stock, or I would have bought more. But yeah. What else? Oh, I use this little spray bottle. There's nothing in here but alcohol. It kind of helps with the air bubbles. I also went and bought this heat gun from Joanns, and I used the 50% off again. I think I paid like $13 for this. And then you can get these on Amazon. But Michael's and Joanns sell them now, but Michael's had them for cheaper. I can't find my receipt, but these 4 were $4 each, and then for this one it was like $6. And then I got this little thing for my business. It was like a background prop thing that I never used, so I think I'm gonna cut it up and put it with one of these glitters, maybe the gold one, just to see how it turn out. So basically the first thing you need to do is get 2 of the measuring cups and pour an even amount of part A and part B. And make sure you read the instructions because each epoxy is different. I guess I could. Oh. Oh shoot. Oh my god, there's literally something stuck on it. Okay. I got a little bit more of part B than A. Oh, actually, no, I don't. It looks perfect. And I'm already messing up. Oh, shoot. Okay, now, so this is like the longest step. Okay, I lied, but you literally gotta stir this thing slowly in the same directions for like 100 years if you don't want no air bubbles. But also, that's what the alcohol is for. I'm gonna spray it like 2 or 3 times with the alcohol. And then I'm going to use the heat gun when it's in like the letters. Move on to the next step. I usually do this before I do the whole epoxy thing. Well, no, because sometimes it depends on how many I'm doing and what like designs. If it's all the same design, I will put this, like whatever I'm using, into the epoxy. But everything I'm using today is my first time using it, so I'm gonna do a whole bunch of different designs, and I'm gonna put these in here with some tweezers. Usually is what I use, but I don't even see my tweezers. We ain't got time to be stopping and looking for them because it's already like 10 o'clock at night. I'm gonna just go for it. Oh, shoot. One more time, my epoxy. And then I'm gonna kind of like place it over it. Because if I was to pour it, it'll like move. It's gonna move anyways, but this just helps. Okay, y'all, so my camera light died when I was doing this. So basically this is the after. I kind of went a little crazy and overfilled some of them, but that's okay. And I had way too much epoxy, which is why you see all these extra random letters. For the colored ones, I used this. We got epoxy on it. But I used to use this for like custom cups and stuff like that. And I just found them and thought it'd be cool if I tried to use them. I got those at Joann's. I will link it below. So the next step is kind of depends on which epoxy you buy. I sit and let mine dry or whatever for like 24 to 32 hours. These ones, since I filled them so much, I'm probably going to do 48 hours just to make sure it's good. And then once it's done, I'll come back and I'll show y'all how I turn them into keychain. Like 3 or 4 days since I filmed this, and I've never let them like sit this long, so I really don't know how they're gonna come out, but they should still be good. I started taking a few of them out already. This is what it looks like. And then some of them I did like overflow it so it's extra epoxy or whatever. And I went to Michael's and got the sandpaper. I'm just gonna try to sand it down, see if that works. But yeah, basically just pop them out. then once you buy the kit off of Instagram once you buy the kit off of Amazon, it comes with like 100 of these, and then like an actual keychain thing. I can't find it. It only comes with 5 of them, but I just went and bought some of these just for the video. But you could order more of like the regular ones on Amazon. I'm gonna put a picture up of what I'm talking about. And basically all you do, well, what I like to do, I usually go and use this thing that I got with my Cricut, and I put it at the very top and just make a hole. But since I let these sit for so long, I don't even think this is gonna work. Really what you want to use is a drill, but I can't find ours. You just kind of want to push it through. Oh, it's still working. Y'all see it made like a little hole. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm gonna go through it again with the screwdriver. Oh, I can't talk. Not a screwdriver, a nail. And then I'm just going to put one of these inside the hole I just made. And then, you know, just screw it until you can't screw anymore. And it's in there tight, like it's not gonna come out. Then I just attach this to thing. And I'm pretty sure y'all know how to put, well, a keychain. There you go. So a lot of my customers, they like to add the fur ball or like a custom keychain. You get any picture you want, and I just put them all 3 on there. Sometimes they add lip gloss. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, gang.